Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Wednesday. How are you today? Hope all is well. We're having a little shift in the weather here in Chicago. It was a little bit nice yesterday. Now it's going to rain, have some storms later, and probably snow tomorrow. Not impressed by the weather. Yeah, tomorrow's spring, by the way. Keep that in mind. Just busy day. I'm trying some new things, did a little new intro. Hope you like that. I'm on a podcast tomorrow, but it won't be up for maybe a week or so, called Love, Sweet Love. Yeah. So I'm talking about all things love and how I went through a lot of stuff growing up and how I still put the goodness out in the world and that kind of thing. So I'll let you know when that's available and I'll share you the link. Getting ready for April, which is a Pride, kind of pre-Pride month. So if you're in a college or university and you're looking for a speaker to come for your Pride event, I'm the guy. So many of you don't know, maybe you do, that colleges and universities do a lot of Pride events in April because they're not in session, the general session in June. So usually a busy month for me. So look up, here's the URL, gregorbaird.com. Look me up. I would love to come and speak at your college or university. And with June coming up, I would love to come to any event, corporations, companies, higher ed training, Pride events, whatever you got. Now more than ever, my message is needed in all of our messages to rise up against hate, bigotry, indifference, and celebrate all of us. So please, with all these cuts and things going on, including my programming and my life and what I want to do, please check me out. I would appreciate it. I have a great program, been doing this for a long time. Proud of my journey and want to share that with you. Enlighten some lives and encourage people just to be better human beings and go forward. 2 weeks from today, very, very excited. I am going to Palm Springs. I know some of you know that already, but I'm looking forward to see friends and just hang out by the pool, honey, and do my walking, my steps in, my workout, going out. I need this more than ever, and I'm grateful for the break that I have. It's been planned for a long time. So if you're in my Palm Springs kind of group, check me out. Look me up. Want to hear from you. I would love to get together for a drink, dinner, brunchy, whatever it may be. And then on Friday, of course, another vlog that I have for you. I got some lectures and different things, and we'll see what kind of debauchery the weekend brings. You know, I'm a saint. Mm-hmm. Kind of. Oh, by the way, I was going to mention St. Patrick's Day. You saw the post about me making corned beef, and I put it in the crock pot. It was a failure, by the way.
Oh no.
Mm-hmm. And I hardly have many failures when I cook, but I put the corned beef in the crock pot, 8 hours at low, and it turned out dry. Mm-hmm. I do it once a year. So, and I did eat, because I like to make a Reuben sandwich. I don't do all the cabbage and stuff. So, I did that, and it was a little dry sandwich. So, oh well, lesson learned. 6 hours at low next time, not 8. That's all I got. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll talk to you Friday. Have a grateful day ahead. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Take care.